These are some bowls and cups and plates that I found at Walmart. They're really cool. They're a sort of marbleized plastic look with black and gray and this purple finish. They also have them in black and they have them in orange. So I got 2 of each, and I'm going to assemble a buffet of sorts by creating some risers for my food. Really simple, by stacking these up. This makes a really great tower for serving, and even using a bowl just like that, this makes a really cool area with a larger surface for more food or a bigger item, maybe some brie cheese with some crackers around it. This would be great to hold olives in it. So I'm actually going to use part of a plastic ball, which I like to use a lot. On the inside, of course, all of that will be washed, and then I can fill it with olives without having to use so many olives that might go to waste if they don't all get eaten. And on the second level, I can do more meats and different parts of the charcuterie. I think that'll be really exciting. I'm going to use the Scotch mount double-sided tape that I got at Walmart. Super easy. I'll just stick it onto the bottom of the bowl and then stick it to this plate so that they're stable. So many different configurations. So this one's a little shorter, starting with the bowl on the bottom. So it just depends on really how you want things to look. Now, I'm also going to be adding puck lights in these. This is going to be a really cool effect because once you light it up, these puck lights really light the whole column, and that's going to look really cool on my BOO-tiful buffet. Of course, I have all sorts of colors to choose from. Look how great the green looks in the purple. And also there are different settings, so this can actually pulse, which gives it a really cool look as well. I also have this really cool skeleton wreath that I got at Five Below, and that can serve really nicely around the bottom to decorate. I'll also be using my wretched rat wreath on the bottom to decorate around the BOO-tiful buffet, which actually is going to be quite wretched once it's all said and done. When I'm done, you're gonna love it when I'm done. You're gonna love the easy way you can set up a buffet. You're gonna love it when I'm done.